coming today, which has the topic perception. My name is Alyssa Octavia from Group 4. In today's presentation, I like to explain to you about aspect of perception. In today's presentation, I like to cover 5 points. Firstly, definition of perception. Secondly, one way to explain sharpening of perception. Thirdly, disturbance in the process of perception. Fourthly, factors that influence perception. And finally, types of perception. I just like to give you a definition of perception. Perception is the process of human thinking about certain phenomenon. Perception is individual perspective towards stimulus in the environment throughout the process of cognitive and activative process that are influenced by many things such as prior, local, need, mode, education, and other factors that give different meaning and will affect the behavior and attitude of individuals. This process is related to the acceptance of message or information by human brain. In this process, a person interacts with his or her environment using 5 senses. Those are vision, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Now, I will pass you over to Erica. She will present about one way to explain sharpening of perception.
Thank you, Safa, for your presentation. I am Erica. Today, I would like to outline about one way to explain sharpening of perception. Sharpening of perception is a cognitive process where we focus on specific detail of a stimulus, making them more prominent in our minds. This process is significantly influenced by selective attention, our brain's ability to focus on relevant information while ignoring irrelevant details. How selective attention influence sharpening of perception? First, focus on specific details. By concentrating on particular aspect of stimulus, we enhance our perception of those details. Second, influence expectation. Our expectation shape what we pay attention to, leading us to seek information that align with those expectations. Is context and experience. Past experience and the current context influence our attention, making information more salient. What are the factors to sharpen perception? There are 7 factors to sharpen perception, namely attention, expectation, emotional stage, motivation, environmental context, cognitive structure, and mental readiness. Some example of sharpening perception in everyday life. First, mindfulness training enhances awareness of thoughts, feeling, and physical sensation. Second is reading a foreign language. Develop sensitivity to non-language and language nuances. Hello, guten Morgen, wie geht's dir? Third is reading fiction. Can expand imagination and understanding of different perspectives. Now, I will pass you over to Adelia Alma. She will present about disturbance in the process of perception.
Thank you, Erica, for your presentation. I am Adelia Alma. Here I will present you about disturbance in the process of perception. First, there is an illusion is a false perception. A perception that does not correspond to objective description of the stimulus situation. Illusions are usually associated with the sense certain. Illusion often arise due to psychological factors such as eye fatigue or the way the brain organizes information. Examples include optical illusions such as images that appear to be moving even though they are not. Second, there is delusion or false belief. Despite evidence to the contrary, Delusion often occur in mental disorders, such as schizophrenia or delusional disorders. For example, someone who believes that he is a king, even though in reality he does not have the position. And that there is a hallucination is a perception created by the individual. Causes hallucination can be caused by mental disorders, or such as schizophrenia, neurological diseases, drug use, or lack of sleep. For example, hearing sounds that are not there or seeing objects that are not visible to other people. Now, I will pass you over to Alan. He will present about factors that influence perception.
Thank you, Alma, for your presentation. And hi, I'm Alan. As all you all know, today I'm going to talk to you about factors that influence perception. There are some factors that can affect in perception. Those have two factors, internal factor and external factor. In the internal factor, there are two things affect perception. Those are sensory limit and psychological factor. In the internal factor, first is sensory limit and threshold. Our sensory organs have specialists about nerve which respond differently to the various forms of energy that are received by them. Second is psychological factor. Psychological factor such as personality, past experience, and learning and motivation effect in the individual's perception process to considerable extent. In the external factor, according to Robbins and Lambton, there are two factors that can affect perception. The first external factor is the target. The characteristic of the target that is being observed can affect perception. From both of external factor above, situation is the dominant factor that affect perception. In this case, is emotional mood state affect a person behavior. Mood show how one feeling at the time that can affect how a person can decide, respond, and remember. And now, I will pass you over to Widya.
Thank you, Alan, for the presentation. Hello, my name is Widya Ningsih, and I'm responsible for explaining the types of perception to interpret the surrounding environment. Different kinds of sensory information are utilized, so perception can be of different type from visual to cross-modal. Here is a detailed list of the different types of perception. 1. Visual perception. 2. Auditory perception. 3. Tactile perception. 4. Gustatory perception. 5. Olfactory perception. 6. Social perception. 7. Person perception. 8. Depth perception. 9. Routine perception. 10. Cross-modal perception. In essence, perception is a fundamental human experience, a dynamic and multifaceted process through which reconstruction our understanding of reality. It is shaped by a complex interplay of internal and external factors, including sensory input, cognitive process, emotion, and the surrounding environment. Sharpening our perception through practices like mindfulness and focused attention allow us to navigate the world with greater clarity and awareness. Conversely, disturbances in perception can significantly impact your mental and emotional well-being. Understanding the intricacies of perception, its various types, and the factors that influence it is crucial for enhancing human experience, fostering better communication, and improving our overall understanding of the world and ourselves. Thank you very much from Good For and goodbye.